How to use the analog damage. Go in Effects, and over here in the search we are going to look for analog. It should be located in the Open Effects. Just drag it and drop it to your footage. Clear up the effects and we will have more workspace. From the right side, expand the inspector and choose the effects. From the preset, this is the default clean VHS, but you can choose whatever you want. It's up to your liking. So let's choose early television. And let's try also 80s. This is like the commercials when we grow up. So select your video and go in the video tab. You can move the position here if you want to fit something else in the frame. Let's review it. This looks nice, but as I mentioned, you have a lot of presets over here, so you can choose security camera, old VHS. And that's how easy it is to use analog damage. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.